Hey everyone, and welcome to the Tyson Discovery Center. My name is Chef Sergio Herrera with the Tyson Food Service Culinary team. And today, we're here to talk about an awesome, great, trendy pizza that we're calling the Spicy Sicilian. Let's talk about the ingredients. We have our Hillshire Farm Spicy Italian Sausage Crumble, a wonderful sun-dried tomato pesto, a blend of shredded mozzarella and Asiago cheese, an awesome teardrop pepper that will cut into strips, some pine nuts that will roast, and some golden raisins. So let's get to cooking. Today we'll start off with the pine nuts roasting. The awesome thing about these pine nuts, it'll give a great taste and flavor with this pizza. So if you want that perfect crunch and bite, this is the way to go. And here we have our beautiful roasted pine nuts that'll make a great taste and a great nutty flavor with this pizza. So let's go ahead and cut these teardrop peppers into strips. I love it because it's got a nice vinaigrette that's pretty much been brining for give or take 24 hours or anything. It gives great flavor once again, and also gives a great garnish and color to the pizza. So first we'll get our sun-dried tomato pesto sauce. This pesto sauce is great for flavor, but also we're seeing that trend pop up in a lot of restaurants, whether it's street, whether it's college universities, and this just gives that authentic flavor. And what we'll do here is spread it all around the pie, as so. Once we have our pesto down, let's go ahead and grab our Hillshire Farm Spicy Sausage Crumbles, and we'll lay it on top. Now, normally you would probably add around 4 ounces to these pies. 4 to 6 ounces is probably the right amount. Obviously depends on your pie size. So we'll grab a nice handful, spread it evenly. Now next what we'll do is grab our blend of shredded mozzarella and Asiago cheese. And what we'll do here is give it a nice coat over the top. Now, if you don't have a good blend of mozzarella or Asiago, there's definitely different substitutions you can use. If you want smoked Gouda, that smoky flavor, that will be great on this pizza. But really, that cheese blend of a duo of cheeses, right, gives that awesome flavor. Next, what we'll do is add our teardrop pepper strips that we just prepared. That looks great. Next, what we'll do is grab our roasted pine nuts and give it a little garnish over the top. And finally, we'll get some golden raisins, an awesome ingredient that I personally love, but also gives that spicy and sweet combo. And there we have it, an awesome spicy Sicilian pizza. Now let's get this pizza pie in the pizza oven. Hey guys, welcome back. So we just took this awesome spicy Sicilian pizza from the pizza oven. What we did here is we cooked that at 475, around 5 minutes speed belt. All right, sweet. So let's get this pie sliced. And there you have it, guys, an awesome spicy Sicilian twist with our Hillshire Farm Spicy Italian Sausage Crumbles. Thanks so much and take care.